Hey y'all, welcome to Roman G's Botanica. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today I want to show you some magical dill seeds. You can get these and other magical herbs and roots at our website www.aromagees.com. So dill can help you attract new love, luck, and abundance. Put some dill seeds in your wallet or purse, or planting the seeds in your kitchen garden can ensure that you'll always have all the resources that you ever need. Helps bring in good fortune in love matters, especially when your love life's a little stagnant and you want to, spice it up a bit. And this aromatic plant can even protect you against envious people and break curses and jinxes. So all that's pretty good. So consider adding this to your magical repertoire. And again, if you'd like some, go to www.aromagees.com to get some, or visit us in person at 223 Donaldson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. Thanks for coming.